Yeah, it's that bird in the VIP line with the V-time and the INSTA run. She drive the Nissan and she in a pink run. I don't want her.
Hey bestie, welcome back to my channel. My name is MyaaNailLab. If this is your first time seeing me, welcome. And if you're a returner, welcome back. We are doing another spend a weekend with me as a beginner nail tech. Today, y'all already know who nails we doing. So we got Simone. Y'all seen her last video, but we got Simone. We're doing her nails. And then I got another client tomorrow. I don't know. So I'm a little nervous for that. But y'all will see. Y'all, I got a lot of packages that need to be opened. Some of them will be opened in a separate video because they pertain to something else, so you'll see. But some of the stuff, I'm gonna show y'all the stuff I ordered. It's currently 1:04. Simone should be here by 2, so I have a little bit of time. But then I also want to set up my table and stuff. Y'all have not seen my setup since I don't even know when. Last video I painted my table, so that's what y'all seen. But y'all haven't seen the setup, so let me show y'all the setup real quick because I'm back at my house. So y'all will definitely see me again with the picture frame background. So let's look. Okay, so when you book me, you'll see a nice clean room. I got y'all moving stuff in, so it's a little dirty over there right now. But clean room, my packages, and this is the table. Isn't she gorgeous? I got 2 chairs. They go up and down. And of course they match, as you can see. So my dryer lamp, my dryer, armrest, and then my lights. Y'all look at how big, not big. Look at how bright she is. Let's cut her off. Do y'all see that? Like, what? And then she could change. I love that. So I got that nail stuff right here, and I got a little welcome sign, and it's Simone. Because since she's the one coming today, her name's Simone. So we got a welcome sign. But yes, I'm happy, I'm excited, I'm loving the setup. It's super cute. I'm saying that y'all need to book me. Yeah, but let's get into opening these packages. Okay, y'all, so this first package, this is my airbrush, y'all. Let's open it. Because Simone's nails today require airbrush art. And also I needed an airbrush anyway, so I didn't just get it for her nails solely. But yeah, we'll be using this today, and hopefully it works out. Hold on. Oh my gosh, why is there so many pieces? I see that. Okay, the machine part is right here, and then you got the airbrush part. I'm gonna put it together after all this, but got the airbrush part right here. I don't know, I can't really tell y'all too much of what everything is until I read some directions. And then I think this is the tool to clean it. And then it also came with this. I don't really know what this is for, so don't ask me, but that's everything that came in here. Are my phone holders, which will be getting put to use today. I actually got these for my nail table, so that way people can use their phone and it not be a struggle. So they're just clear. I didn't really want them to be colorful. I wanted clear, so show y'all what it looks like. And here you go. And it got a heart back here. So cute. I think it's cute. Yep, so I'm gonna put these up on the tables. Here is my prep stuff for my press-on nails. I decided to start selling press-on nails, which check me out, okay, because they come out so cute. I'm just gonna put it right here. This is one of the press-on nails that are finna get shipped out, so you can definitely get some custom nails from me. reasonably priced. You won't be breaking the bank shopping with me, I promise. But yeah, this comes with like the baggies and the glue and the cuticle pushers. And they got like thank you cards and instructions and stuff inside. So I thought this was a good deal since it came with everything, and this would be my first time, you know, packaging personal nails. But yep, and pretty much that's all I bought. I did end up buying, I've been buying stuff like for the past 2 weeks, but some of this stuff is already open. And I know this stuff right here I bought. These are the nail wipes, and then these are just the dental bibs that you lay on the table. So I got those, but everything else is already out the box, so I'm not about to scavenger hunt to show y'all. But that's pretty much it for the mini haul. I think y'all will see me again when I start on Simone nails, because I'm actually about to be recording 2 videos today. So I'm gonna go ahead and record my other video about some other stuff that I ordered that y'all will see in the next video. Okay, y'all, so I told y'all I would come back. She's already here. I don't know who told her to come early, like 1:29. Why are you here, you know? Okay, but I never got to set the airbrush up, so let's do that. Let me see.
You're playing the wrong game.
This is the bottle. This is the hold on. Oh my gosh, yeah. Okay.
Where'd you go? Now you know how I've been living without you. Daydreaming on a cloud with you like the horizon. With you tonight is on an island. Yeah. It's about time for making up. Found you wasn't with me waking up. Now you feel set up there in this heat touch. I needed to distance myself from you.
Okay, y'all, her nails are done. Honestly, like, why are y'all not booking with me? Like, I don't know why, but these are tea. Go follow my nail page. It's gonna be linked in the description, but you know, real cute, real cute. Hey y'all, okay, it's a little bit later. We went to the pet store. Y'all see that? Cause we getting the cat. We getting the cat. My nail tech, in the last video I got my nails done. These were the nails. And her cat had kittens, and so she was offering them, and she was like, you want a kitten, you want a kitten? And so we picked one. She's so cute. It's a girl. She's white, all white, with a little black dot on her head. Y'all will see her whenever I go and get her. Maybe if I get her tomorrow, then y'all will see her. If I end up getting her in the middle of the week, then y'all probably won't see her. But yeah, so we went and got a litter box. We went to Five and Below, and we got some cat toys and stuff. I'll show y'all the stuff when I get out the car. And yeah, we gotta figure out what food she eats. I'm waiting on her to text me back so I can feed her the same thing that she's been feeding her. And yeah, but I'm not really doing nothing the rest of the day. You know, I'm hungry. Besides me eating up them nails, you know, I'm still hungry. So yeah, period. I love that for me. Yeah, it's really it. I'm not doing anything with the rest of my day. We'll be back home later. I'm gonna go back home tonight. And y'all, moving back to my house after being around my dude for so long is so sad. So sad. It's okay, whatever though. I'm gonna still be over there like every day, like clockwork, so it don't matter. But y'all, we got another client tomorrow. She's coming at 3, and she's getting a recreation set that I wanted to get. That I wanted to try out. So I'm excited for that. Especially the way I just ate these nails up. I'm not even worried about tomorrow. Like, I'm gonna eat it up. I ain't worried about it. But yeah, that's just the mini update. Hey, good morning, y'all. It is the next day. I never ended up coming back and talking to y'all, but today I should be showing y'all the cat stuff later because I should be going back over his house later today. But for now, it is currently like 1 p.m. My client is coming in 3, so I'm going ahead and get myself together. I'm gonna get in the shower and stuff, but for now I'm gonna fix my room, about to make my bed up. We're gonna write her name on the board, which I really just been going by people's Instagram name because I don't know. So I'm about to write, I guess, her Instagram name, and then yeah, so that's what I'm gonna do real quick, and then I'm gonna set up the table and stuff. So I'm gonna just sit y'all up, and then y'all can get ready with her with me.
Oh, just to know you want you. So come close, I want you. Won't you? Can I tell you something for what it's worth? When you have it, place on nothing. Take you there, I'll take you. Show you something, give you more than words. When you have it, place on nothing. Take you there, I'll take you there. Take you there. Won't you fill me up till my cup's overflowing? I'm so anxious just to feel the silence. It's so quiet.
Okay, y'all, so she should be here in about 10 minutes, but I set up everything. I got stuff under here too, but I set up everything. It's almost time to start her nails. I'm excited. I really am, and I feel like I'm gonna eat it up. Eat it up, eat it up. But, you know, let's see what the vibes are giving because I'm in a good mood. I'm feeling real jolly, you know? And look at the board. Hopefully that's her name because that's what's on her page. But hopefully that's her name, guys. Hopefully that's her name. And that's her remaining balance. So, yes. But, anyways, this is what I got on. I'm ready, I guess. I'm just sitting here. I got my Pandora going because we listen to music over here. If I play a video, I'm gonna get distracted and try to watch the video. So I need to listen to some tunes. Something I don't have to look at. And yeah. So let's see these nails when they get done. Hey y'all, it's a couple hours later. Y'all, the client I had 10 out of 10 clients, and I hope everybody that comes to me acts just like her because she was really a vibe. She was cool. This is how her nails came out right here. I didn't want to put her, like, I didn't want to be vlogging while I was doing her nails like how I did Simone because, like, that's my first time meeting her and I didn't want to make her uncomfortable. So, anyways, the nails, they came out so cute. They came out just like the picture. She really liked them, and I'm glad she did. So hopefully we see her again one day. Anyways, y'all, my hair look a mess. Don't mind it. I'm tired of looking right for y'all, okay? I've been doing this too long to care about my hair. But I told y'all that I would show y'all the stuff for the cat. So I'm going to show y'all the stuff we got from 5 and Below. And then I'm also probably going to set up her litter box because we will be going to get her tomorrow. So y'all will see her. I decided to be nice and stretch the video out just so y'all can see her. So anyways, one thing we got, a fishing rod, cat toy. Let's see if she actually plays with this. Because he decided he wanted to get it for her. We also got her a scratcher toy, and it got like little balls on the inside. We got a food bowl. I thought this was so cute. And this is a scooper for poop. Yeah. Litter scooper. A litter scooper. And then here's her bed. I had picked the pink bed, but he picked this. And tell me, do y'all think this gives boy and she's a little girl? Like, I don't know. It's alright. You know, it's alright. But anyway, so that's all the stuff we got for her, plus the litter box. So we need to set that up. real quick. Get it ready for her. This little thing came with the, not only the box, but it came with the stuff to put in the box. Well, hold on. It don't say right there. Oh, right here. It came with all this. Pellets, absorbing pads, and this thing say guaranteed odor control. Yeah, we'll see about that. Anyways. Yeah, I have never had a cat before. He has, but I've never had one. This will be my first kitty, and I'm so excited. We're gonna be taking her places. She's gonna be out. She's gonna be out. Well,
they got that backpack, the cat backpack.
Yeah. Oh, speaking of that, I wanted to buy her a leash, a cat leash, because I want to get her used to leashes. And before y'all be like, cats don't need a leash. Oh, she's getting a leash. Hey, okay, I don't care. She's getting a leash. Because when I want to bring her outside, I don't want her free roaming. And I also don't want to have to hold her the whole time. So, no, she's getting a leash. And when I had looked it up, they said that the best time to train them on it is while she's still small, so she can get used to it. And she won't be trying to act out when I give it to her when she's older. So, yeah. There we go.
You finished the setup yet?
Oh, yeah. And there's her bed.
Maybe I might move it.
That bed looks a little over there, but she's small, y'all. For real, when you see her, she's so small, so it don't even matter. Okay? Unless she got bigger from when I seen her, but yeah. Hey y'all, okay, it's about 2 days later, but we have the cat. Y'all, we changed her name. Her name is now Iris, and let me show y'all her. She is so cute. Say hey, y'all. Look at her. Yo, she ain't paying me no mind right now. She been playing with this little thing. Just running. But y'all, how cute is she? Look, hold on. I'm gonna let y'all see her playing with this thing real quick. Well, if he can get, yeah. Y'all, she's only 2 months. That's why she's so little. But she's warming up to us, so. Anyways, yeah, that is our child. But that's pretty much it. Yeah, I've been doing a horrible job recording for this vlog because I'm always skipping something. But also, I wanted to show y'all my new bag. I just went and got this. She's cute. She's real pink, but she's cute. I got it from Target, and it fits my iPad. So that's the reason that I got it. But that is pretty much the end of this video. I don't have nothing else going on. I have to work the rest of the week, and that's it. I just had to make sure that I showed y'all my new cat because I told y'all about her, but it wouldn't. Our new cat. It would be wrong if I told y'all about her and didn't show y'all her. So I had to show y'all, you know. So anyways, I will see y'all in the next video. Thanks so much for watching. Hopefully this video wasn't too choppy, too messed up, and too janky, you know. I hope it's not giving first video ever on YouTube because I've been doing this for too long for my video to be looking like this. But we'll see what happens when I start editing. Hopefully it's better than what I'm expecting. But anyways, thanks for watching.
High volume.
Am I really that?